Yeah, hi Neil, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know, I've done your laser for you. You know, in all honesty, this was a real pain, and I don't usually sort of do this for free, but you know, just think of it as a gift. I'm feeling kind of nice right now. But what I've done on this, okay, basically, what someone's done is they've opened the laser up. Okay, they've taken the board off, and as they take the board off, they sever this little bit here, and it only takes one little rip, and the thing's you know, it's totally stuffed. So what I've done is I've actually changed the motor for you, and this part, and the micro switch, and I've also done some repairs on the board as well, which was pretty easy, to be honest with you. Okay, there was a component that was just missing, and I put it back on. It's working straight away. It's just where someone's, I don't know whether you've done it or someone else has done it, or what's gone on, but it wouldn't have worked anyway. So I've basically done that, and I've changed the laser. Okay, so oh, and I've put like a, you know, the little button on the top, on the part for you there, so you can see that. So you can hear that working. So what I do is I'm going to stop this, and I'll show you what I've done. Okay, let me just get that off. Right, so I use a bit of tape to do this. Now on your one, okay, I'm not sure. I might be totally wrong. Some of them are, some of them don't. But underneath your little part that I've put on for you, you've got one of these. All right. So I've left that on there. That's on there. When you sent me it, never had this. All right. So what I've done is I've put one of these on for you. It's a used part. Okay. But again, because I'm feeling really generous, I won't charge you for that. But yeah, it's all working as it should be, as you just see. You've got a 6-month warranty on the laser, okay, because obviously I'm doing the other stuff for free anyway, alright, so you don't even got to worry about that. So I will give you the 6-month warranty on the laser. So if the laser goes down within 6 months, I will do that free of charge for you. All I ask you to do is just pay for the postage backwards and forwards, and I'm more than happy to do that, and I'll do that with anyone anyway. Hopefully you're happy with that, and I'm sorry about the delay. The delay was getting one of these. Now I usually have tons of parts in stock, but I did send someone a load of stuff, and I've only just got it back, so yeah, that's what the delay was on that. But I've done it all, and it's all been tested working. It was, yeah, I mean, I'll be honest with you, it's been done for just a couple of days now, and I've actually been listening to it, so. And I was really busy today, so I would have sent it out today. But there you go. Thank you ever so much for your business. I do appreciate your business, and we're very grateful for people like you who come to us and, you know, obviously keep your shoes on the kids' feet, as so. So yeah, thank you very much. And if you've got any issues, any problems, just give me a call. You got my phone number. My phone number's there. Ring anytime. Really appreciate it. Thanks, Neil. You have a great day. I'll speak to you soon.